Fine. Judas Priest.
This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC. Communications have been heavily disrupted due to ongoing incidents. Please remain tuned to this channel for further information. Approximately minutes ago, it was confirmed that an official government...
Not the CBS Productions logo from 1965. No.
Yes. Yes. Ha.
Eric, you were so stupid. Why did you bring up the 1965 CBS logo to scare Pencil?
There needs to be a scary logo in every episode. That's why.
Hey Match, can you take care of this 1965 CBS logo for me?
Sure. All right, 1965 CBS logo, for scaring my best friend, take that.
Thank you, Match. You saved my life.
No problem, Pens.
Hey. What's going on here?
Hey yo, Pen. What's up, bro?
Nothing much, Eraser. Just had to go get a voice change operation.
Shaw. A voice change operation doesn't exist.
Shut up. It is too. Get it right.
Judas Priest. I can't believe everyone is telling me to shut up.